Everybody, it's Eugene here, and we have another speaker with me today who's going to be speaking at the Forensic Photography Symposium this January 16th to 19th, 2023. With me, I have Ted Kinsman. He's a professor of photographic sciences at Rochester Institute of Technology. And Ted, thank you so much for being here. And I saw something that you presented on before, and it's RTI, and you're going to be presenting that at the symposium. Can you tell me a little bit about your presentation? What is RTI, and how is it helpful?
RTI stands for Reflective Transformation Imaging, and it's a way to light an object with between 40 and 50 lights, and from each image, and that is a photograph is taken under 40 or 50 different lighting conditions in just a few minutes, and then those images are combined mathematically to create a model of the surface, and that model can be manipulated with viewing tools to extract really fine detail. And it's a way to digitally inspect an object that you can't have in your hands.
Okay, so if you had something like a weapon or a shoe or a footprint or something like that, you could bring out details that would be much more difficult to see in regular conditions.
It'd be comparable to, if you've ever seen like an old coin where you hold it in the light and you shine it to try to read the date. It's kind of like that. There's a lot of excitement about it, and as it gets easier to collect these kinds of data sets, I think a lot more people will come to reflective transformation imaging and be like, wow, that's a cool thing. Why haven't I seen that before?
Excellent. Well, we'll be looking forward to seeing it at the symposium. So I thank you for taking the time.
Thank you for having me.
Hey, excellent. We'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.